Yo, what's up guys, it's Yannick, and let's cut straight to the chase. Abs. Everyone wants them, but most people are going about it all wrong. They say you need endless crunches, fancy equipment, and hours in the gym. But I'm here to tell you that's BS. I built my six-pack with just 2 exercises. You heard that right, 2. No complicated routines, no 30-minute ab circuits. Just 2 simple moves that hit every part of my core. Upper, lower, obliques, everything. And I'm going to break them down for you step by step so you can start seeing results. But first, let's talk about why most people fail at building abs. It's not about doing a million crunches. It's about working smarter, not harder. And it's about targeting those deep, hard-to-reach muscles that most people neglect. Are you ready to level up your ab game? Let's go! Alright guys, the first exercise, and arguably the most important, is the hanging leg raise. This move is an absolute monster for your lower abs. Now most people focus on upper abs, and yeah, those are important, but the lower abs? That's where the real game changer is. You want that deep V-cut, that chiseled, shredded look? You hit those lower abs. Hanging leg raises, when done right, target those lower abs like no other exercise. They force your entire core to work together, building strength, stability, and that aesthetic look we're all after. Now I'm not gonna lie, these are tough. Warning. These will make you question your life choices the first few times you try them. But trust me, the pain is worth it. Here's how to do them. Find a pull-up bar, grab it with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Engage your core, keep your body stable, no swinging, and slowly raise your legs. You can bend your knees if you need to, especially when you're starting out. As you get stronger, work your way up to full straight leg raises. And remember, it's not about how many reps you can do, it's about that mind-muscle connection. Squeeze at the top of the movement, really feel those lower abs working. Start with 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. If you can't do that many at first, don't sweat it. Do what you can with good form, and you'll get stronger over time. Remember, consistency is key. Keep hitting those hanging leg raises and you'll start to see that lower ab definition pop. Trust me, it's a game changer. Alright guys, moving on to exercise number 2, ab rollouts. Get ready, because these will humble you. This move doesn't just hit your abs, it obliterates them. We're talking about engaging your entire core, from your shoulders to your hips, building that rock-solid foundation. Forget crunches. This is how you build bulletproof abs. You're going to feel this in your upper abs, lower abs, obliques, everything. It's a full-body experience disguised as an ab exercise. Now, you're going to need an ab wheel for this one. If you don't have one, you can use a barbell with weight plates on it, but an ab wheel is definitely the way to go. Here's how to do it. Kneel on the floor with the ab wheel in front of you. Grip the handles firmly and engage your core. Now here's the key. Keep your core tight and slowly roll the wheel forward. The further you roll out, the harder it gets. The goal? 10 to 15 controlled reps. That means no collapsing, no using momentum, just pure controlled strength. If this is too hard, and it probably will be at first, start from your knees. As you get stronger, you can work your way up to doing them from your toes. This is pain, but pain equals growth. You're going to feel the burn, but that's how you know it's working. This is a game-changing ab move. Incorporate ab rollouts into your routine, and watch your core transform. You'll thank me later. So there you have it, only 2 exercises you need for a six-pack. Forget the fluff, focus on what works. Hanging leg raises and ab rollouts, master these moves, and you'll be well on your way to building a core of steel. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these exercises into your routine 2 to 3 times a week, and don't forget about your nutrition. Abs are made in the kitchen, as they say. Now get out there, put in the work, and let me know how you progress. I want to see those transformations. Try this for a few weeks, and let me know your results in the comments. See you in the next one.